Yes, let's go. If you're like me and you're spending now probably hundreds of dollars, ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, OpenRouter, Grok, you name it, we probably are paying for it. I finally found a tool, and in this video, I'm going to break down a tool called ChatLLM by Abacus.ai, and it takes and gives you access to all the best state-of-the-art LLMs all in one place with all of their features all in one place. So ChatGPT, all of them, all the sonnets, Llama, Gemini Pro, all the DeepSeeks, including version 3 that literally came out today. You can basically have access to all of them in one place, and then you can actually use them to do whatever the heck you want. Whether you want to do PDF, image video generation, you want to use DeepSeek, you want to write code, you want to build websites, you want to analyze data, everything all in one place. It is absolutely amazing. And here's the craziest part, $10 a month. It doesn't even sound real saying that. You can check it out below. Click for yourself, chatllm.abacus.ai. Let's get into the video, and I'm going to show you every single thing that it can do, starting with all of these language models. Look at this. There's 69 different LLMs in here. Let's jump into this video. It's going to be a banger, action-packed ChatLLM. Let's go. Boom. Let's just start it off and check out the hottest, newest thing, which is, for example, DeepSeek V3. Give me the top 10 baddest AI stories today. Boom. Now we're using DeepSeek version 3.1. At the same time, though, why don't we open up another window, ChatGPT 4. Give me the top 10 AI stories today. Just think about the power of this. You're able to basically use all of the tools all in one place. I think this is definitely a game changer, and it's been fun to play with. So let's take a look. So you got AI gap in workspace, OpenAI operator agent goes live. Oh, you want to use that? We also have ChatLLM has, well, guess what? A computer agent. So you could actually go in and pull it up. So why don't we do this? Find me a flight from San Diego to New York on May 15th. Now we're using computer agent mode. Oh, what? Fully autonomous agent looking up my flight information? Look at this. It already found a flight. San Diego, New York, May 15th. We got a nonstop for $308. I didn't have to do anything. The agent did everything fully autonomously. Let's give it another task while we wait. Can you find me 10 restaurants in San Diego, sushi restaurants, with a 4.5 or higher rating? I want it to be able to be super romantic, between $40 and $70 per person. Next assignment, let it rip. One of my favorite parts is actually the image generation. It uses some of the most powerful models out there for image. So you could see here, we could do screenshot, we could do video generation, we could do tasks, we could humanize your voice, your text. We got editors, we got video analysis. If you want to analyze a YouTube video, scrape URLs, and then also the doc. Let's just go in order. There's so many things here that you can create, but I'm going to show you everything in order. So let's go to image, and guess what? We have all the different models. You want to use Flux 1.1, Flux 1.1 Ultra, Image, Dolly, everything in one place. This is so amazing that you no longer have to have 25 different subscriptions. I think this is absolute breakthrough. So let's go to images and prompt. Let's go in and create. I want a prompt of man standing on top of a mountain, surrounded by robots, looking up into the sky and saying, "Work for me, you little bastards." Let's take a look what we got. Oh man. Here is our image of a man looking out over his robot army. This is my dream right here. This is where I'm heading in the next couple months. I'm going to be on top of a mountain. I'm actually going to Colorado in 2 weeks, so I will probably be doing that. I will not probably Photoshop, use ChatLLM. So here we go. We got, going back to our sushi. Let me see what we got. So it's looking still. It's still working, getting our assignment. But as you can see, It's in total autonomous mode, agent operator mode, and it's going through and looking for every single restaurant. And I gave it the task of the budget because now it's going to have to be really smart and it's going to have to go through reviews and see how much the average plate cost. So let's go on to the next thing, which is, let's try a video generator. And here's all the video generator tools. We got Luma, Runway, Hunyan, 2.1 Kling, and VO2. Let's try Kling. I've been hearing a lot of good things. We got standard or pro. Let's go to, actually, you know what? Let's try this, a flying monkey. We're having fun here. If you guys haven't watched any of my stuff, my name is Marcin AI. I am a no-code AI dev. And on this channel, I just have a lot of fun creating all kinds of crazy things. And I'm always on the lookout for the hottest, newest, best tools out there. And this one is definitely been so incredibly helpful because everything is in one place. I no longer have to be searching. So here we go. We're back. We got our, let's go to our video generator. Let's upload our monkey image. Let's see if I can actually use this. This would be pretty crazy. So let's see, and let's paste that. A flying monkey over the ocean shooting down with a machine gun. All right, I have no idea what this is gonna do, but we might as well give it a shot and see the quality. Check out the sushi deal. Harmony Cuisine, 2BI, rating 4.8. Price fits 40 to 70 per person in Kearna Mesa. That's close by me. Second place, Azuki Sushi. I've been there. Around 50 bucks per person. Absolutely accurate. Are you guys watching this though? Fully autonomous, included in a $10 a month service. Pretty crazy. Videos being generated. Let's go on to the next item. So obviously the search stuff is easy, but let me show you something really powerful. So you can do all the deep search and everything, but let me show you this video analysis. Video analysis is actually pretty dope. So if I go to YouTube, let's pull up Greg Eisenberg's new video. You guys aren't familiar, he's an absolute AI monster and making amazing content. Let's paste the video and say, give me the 3 takeaways from this video. Now it's going to analyze this video. It's going to transcribe the video using DeepSeek V3.1. And then it's going to give me the biggest 3 takeaways. Let's take a look. AI startups need sustainable moats. The problem, the solution, an example. Media businesses are prime acquisition targets. Why? The strategy behind it. Automation and vertical niche equals quick wins. Just think about what we just did here. We took a 27-minute, how long is the video? I'm sorry, 52-minute video, and we just summarized it in 1 click using DeepSeek 3.1, which is the brand new DeepSeek, all in one place. I'm still haven't left this dashboard. I'm still in the main dashboard, and we're continuing to just use everything. We've done our sushi, and here's our monkey. Yes, let's go. This is so amazing. Next, I want to show you Playground. This is actually really cool. So check this out. Create a simulation of a ball bouncing inside of a bowl, and I get to control the bowl's movement, trying to keep the ball inside the circle. It's going to pick what it wants to use as far as the language, and then look at this. It's going to allow me to go in and actually write and preview a simulation right inside the browser. Think about this. If you've never done this, this is a 3-4 step process. You have a LLM write the code, then you have to bring it into Cursor to then set up your whole environment. This is all done in browser. And there we go. So now we got gravity, we got a different shape, and adding randomness to it. Obviously, this is done in 5 seconds off the cuff, but you get the point. You're able to preview everything within browser to be able to do whatever the heck you want and build out some really fun stuff. Okay, next I want to show you something really powerful if you're into writing. So blogs, if you're doing homework, if you're trying to hack your way through college, there is a humanized feature that allows you to AI detect and proofread your text, rewrite your text professional and clear, funny and clever, caring and empathetic, concrete. But the big thing is this AI detector proof. It will actually rewrite your text to make sure it doesn't get picked up by AI. So let's just use an example. Let's just go into ChatGPT. I'm going to go here and I'm going to say, just to show you how this works. I'm going to say, write me a story about Rome. Okay, perfect. So obviously this is going to look like it's written by AI. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this, and you can see it has all the lines. It's got all the stuff that a typical AI LLM will do. And we're going to go in here. We're going to close that, and we're going to pick up, let's go Gemini 2 Pro. Let's try that and say, paste that in there. Then we're going to select it, and we're going to go humanize. And we're going to put AI detector proof. We're going to hit apply, and bang. And now it's going to rewrite this in the most human voice or language possible. So we're going to reread this, and we're going to compare just to show you how powerful this is. This is actually really dope, because if you're doing any type of work and you don't want people to know that you used AI or LLMs to do it, this is definitely it. And if I was in college, I would be in trouble, because I probably wouldn't learn a damn thing. So that's another great tool. We'll wait for that to humanize. And let's see what else we got in here. If you are not entertained, I don't know what to tell you. It's got so much stuff. And now obviously deep search and all the basic stuff that all the other LLMs have. It's all there. There's also a task. We got editor. So you can basically, if you have somebody send you a book, you can help to rewrite as an editor if you're doing that. And then there's also this scrape URL. So this is a really good one. So let's go up to Google Maps. I'm going to show you something really powerful. We're going to pull up Google Maps, and then we're going to type in, for example, what could we say? Let's say we're looking for a real estate agent. Real estate agent. We're going to then copy this URL. We're going to go back in here, and we're going to say, scrape all the data on this page and give me all the information regarding each one of these search results. Guess what? It's going to go in, it's going to scrape everything, and it's going to go in and collect all that data for us. Really, really powerful stuff. Here's our humanized writing. The thing cocked its head, and Rami believed it did. The fog around it stirred, and it spoke again. It spoke again like an entire galaxy being born. Stories of the last starful, it said, and you are the keeper. Very much more human. Versus, in the farthest corner of the unspoken galaxy where stars whispered secret and planets spun in silence. You see the difference? Yeah, it's a huge difference. So this would be fantastic to use if you need to humanize your voice for AI. I run a lot of my scripts through here, so it doesn't sound like AI, and it works really, really well. Next, let me show you one of my favorite features. Down here, you can see we got operator, which I already showed you. That's the one that can take control of your screen and go in the base. But you can also go to Code LLM, and here you can actually download a full AI assistant. So like Cursor, like all of these no-code tools, it's an actual full product. Let me open it up for you just so you can see it's called Code LLM. Now we have access. Has all the same tools. It's got Sonnet 3.7 and all the other language models built right in. So now we can go in and actually start creating whatever you're building. So we can go in and create a new file called HTML, bring up our terminal, design me a website for a plumber. Okay, it created a bunch of files. I'm just going to hit accept. And this is a standalone application on my desktop. This isn't web-based. So you're able to actually get a full-blown no-code IDE on your desktop installed. They have Mac, they have PC, and that's another huge benefit. So instead of having to use Cursor and pay $20 a month, you could download the Code LLM, and then you're going to have it on your system. It's going to finish the CSS. It's going to write the HTML, and there you go. Pro Plumbing Services. Everything we need to start with. Look at that, it even scrolls, so it's got sectional scrolls. And obviously we can make it better, and we just keep adding to it. So say, I want you to add a bunch of image placeholders and make it look way nicer using all the modern techniques. Really short and sweet, but you can see the power of it. So you have that built in. Gosh, we have so many different things that come with this product. And of course, you guys could check it out below. There's a link and see what you guys build. I'm super curious, but it's been kind of insane to think how many different features this thing has all in one. And one other thing that is really nice is you actually have the ability to add people. And let me pull it up right here. I think you go to settings and you go to team and you invite people for $10. You're able to essentially invite different people for $10. So then you're able to work together as a team. And that's a huge part too, because it allows you to be able to work on projects together. So not many actual large language models do that. I know ChatGPT does it, but it's kind of clunky. It's like you share your historical thread, but it doesn't really do much. So I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of it. Okay, let's see how our site did. Here is our updated site. Look at this, 2 prompts. Look at this animation. Oh, wow, there's actual mouse rollovers. That is sick. Services. We got some images with animations. Oh, wow, look at that. This is incredible. 2 prompt website. Reviews, contact info. Everything is animated. This is gorgeous. Yeah, it did this incredibly quick using the ChatLLM free tool that you can download and use any language. Right there we use Sonnet, but we can obviously use different ones if we want. Okay, I got to show you one more thing that I think is freaking nuts. So I downloaded the Tesla Q4 earnings document. So this is it right here. So we got Tesla Q4 and it's just a boring PDF presentation with a bunch of crap and numbers on it. But check out what we're going to do. We're going to drag it in here and we're going to say, make me a dynamic website displaying all of this information for all my friends who want to invest in Tesla, period. Make it super colorful and badass. So now what it's going to do is it's going to analyze this document and it's going to create a custom looking website based off of that PDF. And it's going to be able to give you a link that you can send to whoever the heck you want. And obviously you can customize it in any way you want. So you want to make a bullish case for Tesla, you can make a bullish case for it. So hedge fund managers are pretty much getting retired here shortly. Okay, here we go. So it's creating the dynamic website. Okay, check this out. Now we have a custom URL that we have all the revenue here. We got vehicle production, key metrics. We got the highlights, everything that happened in that quarter. Then we got the financials, cash position, the full year financials. We got operations. We got technology and future outlook. And this is a very simple V1 of this. But imagine the power of this. And I'm just using a stock PDF as an example. But imagine what you can do with books and school reports and any kind of medical data. I can't even imagine. So very, very powerful. I think the last thing I want to show you guys, though, is that you're able to, as far as the code stuff, which I think is really important, that's what I do a lot of, is you're able to connect Git. So that always going to be helpful. You're able to pull in Git, you're able to get everything connected, and you're able to do that first. So for a lot more advanced developers, you guys know what I'm talking about. I want to also show you tasks. This is a great feature, again, built in. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to say, can you remind me every morning at 10 a.m. to tweet talking about Marcin AI? I also want you to pre-write a short tweet message regarding the newest AI story that happened that morning. There you go. So now you can see it's all programmed for me as a task. Morning AI tweet reminder. And it's going to actually run and it's going to create the actual tweet. So here's the tweet. This morning, NVIDIA announced groundbreaking advancement, including the launch of Blackwell architecture. So now I can just copy this. I can go into my X. Look how fast this is going to be. I don't even have to think. And there you go. That's it. Super quick, super easy. Set up your tasks. You have the tasks on the left side here. You can edit them. You can delete them. And this is another great feature. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's so much to unpack in this video. But definitely go through, have a play, and definitely try the ChatLLM. I think this tool is unreal. The amount of things you can actually do in here is crazy. And I didn't even get into connecting with other applications. There's so much more that you could find. $10 a month. It's a freaking steal. And you could check it out below. Grab it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.